As the Ecclesiastes has said, every beginning have an ending. And I know that my time will come to an end one day here. And so I was very strong till this morning. But when I entered the sanctuary, unexpectedly, tears started streaming down my cheek. I think it's the work of the Holy Spirit. And I have shed some silent tears watching you guys performing, sharing some good things about me. But I know I have my own shortcoming as well. But being a Pharisee, you have spoken all the good things about me, and I thank you for that. As this morning is going to be a very sentimental morning, and my last farewell speech, I'm going to deliver it in Tangkul. And my friends, non-Tangkul friends who are here, I really appreciate your effort to be present at this auspicious occasion. But as I deliver this message, kindly allow me to speak now Tangkul Thailand. Legisha Iram Nobing Rivana Igata Kamata Adam Chigami Daklega Tomi Teda Rally Nishlaki Hiligatahi in a Dai Dagadam Ningmane Karirana away, go later, away Kahanganata Kadane Sagi Jotmark of Sangoda Rirana Assignment Kadei Mikai Jalongli Rawi Kahanganata rather clear Friday above Huina. Legacy, remember being the not I like a pegare. Arihangai that the Chatratakli at tapping he emotionally kika ye problem lame is strong talaki katang cheers like a zangadam daran. Marsa Adam Daran Sarusita the mit dawe. Rivawi Manglana Legacy Crew Musumi Outer She Alumri Jarokashok in the Shanguita running English me. Now, the millionaire that hang Moses na Singum Hangmati Songzang Quilaga Kupusang Adam Taran, Deuteronomy 31 day, and the young clergy. We can now autumnly shin open day. We run a tanramic high singum hangmati. Ichi problem in Twilaga. Lamang is a guy. We run a kata the mirin shirin me. We run a kata now me. Youngish winner run at the Makarmi. Shimanga by winner run a kata the Lumission Mikla. ก็เลยรู้ว่านักดัดอาตมลีพาวิมีกางมุขนาต้องทารานรู้ว่านักดัดดิสซิปลินซาก็จีจึงกำพังมาติวีกระจันจีเอาไว้ขณะว่าอาตมลีหังยิเตยอินเดกระจันยีปายังเลยฮีลิกตาอาตมลีโควิดเลยใส่มีกระจุงกระสาวเว้ยyou were recordly 56 kazai nga chinga jamlak ina lai dak le atam ne shim khoin dang da kazai ka mang han ku ing sak lang pang rokai nga chinga jamlak atam ne ja sami khwai atam makaila sia sa boy in a rally mutlak la rally sia sami kas katam sa wata church win at yung may kami kawai dala say ka church resources la kup maman hawai China hikata ata mili afu church li pinihung laga mother church pili requai say na tu may naung ra chotai re kang John Milo Church being a responsibility China. Me 56ly. The baktiao mangla siya sang minang sorry katang ran shok laga. COVID hi ngarai ngarai China. Natumli chimam lai ngusag ngai mane. Shiban ka pai wena rana natumli itumli makarmi ko sipashi. Anhung ngusag ngai. Moses nation of English come hung with you with Rajan Hangai Laka, and a Kihang Logica, Makarmi Kai Sai, or you bring Laka, hey legislation of being a call to obedience, Kahangana low. Kachung Kalamang Nishman Hare Jaina, Amachisa the paramedically and a tumbing. We rawi Karin later a tumbi marine preserve Sarmiko. Jaina. Mirinwi, Gasak, Bello Taylor, Mirin ring low. Legia, I'm nobbing. Covidly Nashiman, hai by day. Go run a mishman of Niwa. Nali run a crane later. Archu it at a zip kang sak Niwa. Nali coxy kang sak nachi mum lying a sak name. Yao come in a charotata, don't be a pill saddle. Mirin Shanguite Lakina Shangulaka. Mirin Mamlaya say, Sawa Rani Mamlaya say, Nelly run a preserve Sami declare, Rira with divine program lesare. Ivangina, Ya Rivra, thy will in me. Nani di kisang sa ngaylaji, pakusel laga. Mirinding say, yaw kumayuwi, say honey. Kala Moses not only encouraged the hangi. Future nga shan wala ka na tumulang kuring nga chung later. Ka Israel will largely na tumiyang kalo. Nalisang da mirinding low. Yuigashi yang shina kunam dalay salala. Natum na litsang ka. Yahweh na natum na may mangrayfiya ka. Ana natum le mirin kan mire. Mirin parin mire. Mirin shirin mire. Natum mamlay lo da hangi. Legishiya. Tangkul naubing. Rirana imayuli. Leishlaki na ako kiko. Tingulong ko ili korom dalay laka. Rirana, hetang ko naubing. Iwi misara ko da Rirana. William Pettigrew mararang laka. Generation matiwi mamangli. Rirana, tang ko naubing di raho kiko. Rirana tingin siya sa kailay ko. Rirawi ka ng mga naka. Nashman Roko, Picharchi Tangunawi, now Poproko, Mamla, you say. Karurizam, Yuli run Moran. Run Morella, raised by Hinatumli. Ratios I. You could only run a sawmill in our Ripungadam Hilly. You is a Kumraga here, Tigan Bing. Now what them ne, Nishinako. You come out of you, Kangasan, Kawatle Salala, not of Nakatom Ramida, not you is this Lee, Raga Shume. Dana, Lake Shay with Tigan Bing. Think she like his not only. You will take a ship on shop the lay. Color, Natum. You run a hawker queen hay. You run like a part of Jigab Minati he. Mamalay Sat Akida. What drama to went from the Atom Jigam in the Cleatum Tara. Machok Jaelo. No way, best effort me those by he. You come young I like it. You wait, you can he. No one taught you how Nay Malaki. Later, clear Tikan being the Tumli, Mukuti money. Maram let later go. Maram let later go. China. We rally, Marine Shang with Hilak in a shank will like a run a part of Midacleatum Taran. Ninka Yanga Salo, Cocasalo, Manga Kuntang or Rocalo. Natumio come out to ride the clay valley. Matalakina, Katom meter. Sacrum low, he. Yaukuma, you say, honey. You is stopping. In a paring is your dumbly. Itum sacrum ride, Katunga Gatli. In a Yaukuma children, you come up Sakas out there. Only or some Sakai Chungli Sare, or at them Hilly, Pio Milo, Japahi, Adam the appeal suddenly. Kala, the Shlankina Sacrum low, Nakinaka, Mashat Kung Roxy, Masalo, the Broadway, what drum with Redding and Ingaga here, frontliners being named. They shing rock the Akinaning, I shing rock the Sacrum low, which by he, Womulangai, Women's Society. Tanda Mokatong te Kiakle Sarala, Pio Milo Zipazi, Ariata Mili. Women's Society members are corally Pong Shoktale, Yokoma week and the San Kawakle Sarala. Natumna Pio Milo Jehi. Bow shopping and a sorta. So me, Kriakamia, Quileka, Ravanam time with us or no. Kamalinga Women's Studies are why we run a Women's Studies Somirano, Youth Society. Iwi Magadong Te, Kiaklek Hwangina, Ninga Kiaklet Lede, Nawatamili, Piomilo Jehila, Youth Society, Policy Saturday, Policy Saturday, Youth League Tom Lucky. Iwi Masakte Kiakle Salala, Tatum, Piomilo. Young last of the clear tumbly, Rivali, what drum to Pilak, I atumne, Dana, Kamatatum, Aremali, Mission Money Sakailo, which by he, Lake Share Youth Member Ping Lila. The Grokniaka he, Bow Shoktale, young Pung Shop Lady Lilaka, not to me best service, Milo Jehila. Youth we members I correlly, Bow Shoktale. Choir member being Leishlaki, Jersey, choir and a Mamalingaka, Cochran Malum by Mani, Dingum Pangili, Leishlakina, Sakumraga, choir members I called it. You in English, Pong Shokle, run a song is zero no. Musicians are the clipping. Just na kick lama miram ne. Paring laga, niku mal mangal. Tinggal pawat lak.
Ka rari yang kala ko drum tu mi kai nong rasa kurli. Rana so mi runu je ya ko mai u klong ina. Ba shok dele. Ka remember in sai kurla. Rana so mi runu. Kala leishia assures me. Leishlaki nong rapping. Ningai mtan tu mtan rau inang tor. Idum ka tam li chair mit matami idum offering a shiny ordrum to me dakle. Refreshments serve sami dakle. Leishlaki. Leishia nong ran tum sai kol run so miserun ji yau kamai wishne. Care groups. Dang li. Katong mi fai kapang sang kaya o jang ran tum katong la ning shnako. Yau kamay na tangga sidra at bag tomer sala na tum na ito may ot mga laki da katong mi takle katong at jiwang. Iko mo na matilda kasawa rana thay rana somin sir nukjihi ang jipuntale kala care ko kutana pinaghanga tamtaran. Tang no ping katong na la corporation extend samida pong pangusat milo jibahila pong shok tale sound na media ning shlaki trouble kya ko kimi laga odram ko mi kai ko to nga ito marma kumplagitum shokore atum na hiwi ko to nga hi pong laga atum mi dress ko to nga kamtas ngai la masang baila ida ta sacrifice sami dakle ko to nga ibang ning shinako je hilak na atum hili yau kamay wi ning shiling pa pong shok ning so da rana so mi do je la pong shok tale new building committee active sala kena e participant masar tore e ka shap chalong de tiomeka tanga chon chi maning la ka se asa mi re rana lu mission mi da ka pa apam itu mi shim de kokmatam chila tak ta sambang gawai shimung mai salla Siasa kena boros supportina extend sami shingre bahila assure sami tele rana somirunu iwi shimkulde ministry ko sa tamle siasa kena lannaina kala kashai kashakena apong nei ngadida ngachom ni gaya member ngasot no tung to ngadi na watam hile shimkurwi ninga shiring pa pongshok tale ning shinai shimkur sakla kaya tamle rali siasai ram shamarak pai wangaina ngatumli rawa tak sada shishin milaka kangkui kami ngachon kami abong te ngdeta adumi le shi extend sa kami ka to ngachi wang ning shinako jehila pongshok tale yola leishla ka haya tadung tong lila rana somirunu church leishla ka na juta da sakram radakle hi brawing yang kung sarano kala natumli aponga kli da church na backup sak mikle hi tato bangla plus point ka hak nei je wangena relationship hi muthala kena tabagi da klila sakram laga sok ming salo Nada we mirin shimbanaring pamelo je bahila yau kamay we wish pamlan midlay kala city Jews network later clear ojang rating cycle ko tong marang rumber salala ko ja victor na ko tong we represent the rang rum pi bangla ning shinai city Jews pastor ko tong lila iwi ninga shiring pa shimkro ninga shiring pa kala church we ninga shiring pa la extend samilo ajo ikta tamili saklak salala idum sakrama ka shokau gi chili idum presence saina tata idum ile gi shich dereta rak mi ka to ngi bangla ning shinai kala rana somita citizens mading mairunu rana somita mangaba mairunu jehila o shongai Tangko Theological Forum tele dekle atangka nganing haire tegisya nong itumi nong rabing nei jiwangai na Tangko Parish Church Bangalore le inai da taknao sa dari koi sai tam shuta kle nong rabing hi itum church we katana bingko Aram tamkwil ka shimni kung atam taran ito mo yaw ko maungsag jiping ito mo church leaders sungsag jiping nei chui wangay na ili pamdakli atam taran mikyan ka sang milo jihe yaw ko may na kana watam hili rikoy saling ay kasyap pinatang tom milo aram manahan kung atam taran nali welcome sa wigiji hili tamdakli na uraping hiko Jaina acu hili na pang masaya ka naram kung atam taran na ningai marako sipahi parsate talangin na masukla ka shopra le kani jot pingili ka tom milaklo sipahi not leader special talakin na appeal sangai Naga Pastor Forum Bangalore. Thank you Brother Nikado. He is the convener of our Naga Pastor Forum Bangalore. By the grace of God, we have formed this Pastor Forum. It's in a nascent state, initial stage. Slowly, things will take the proper shape, and we have discussed about that in our last meeting also. And so better things are yet to come. So let's hope for the best. There's a saying that when bad man unites, the good must come together. Otherwise, we cannot face it single-handedly. We cannot face it solo. So when the bad men unite, the good must come together. And that's exactly what we are doing. By the grace of God, the Dangkur community is blessed, or more blessed in one way, that we have a larger community out here, comparatively with other tribes. And so I would like to encourage our Dangkur community who are attending here and who will be watching this later on, that as a blessed community, as the largest community here in Bangalore, we have a moral obligation to look after or to render our best service for the welfare and upliftment of our Naka society. As Prophet Isaiah has said, enlarge the place of your tent. Do not fold it, but enlarge the blaze of your tent. Luke chapter 12 verse 48 says, to whom much is given, much is expected. So our Naka brothers and sisters from other community, they expect a lot from our Dangkur community. Don't fail them. Don't fail them. And don't shy away from our responsibility as the largest community, Naka community here in Bangalore. Last but not the least, Iwi Shimkuli, Ninga Shiningai, Kaina Chimang Ranka, Ina Ishbawlila, Atamka Shinaka, Mingai, Anelatigrakan Nimangla, Kanawa Sagan from the Walshok Naichi, Walshok Miranu, Jaina Ishon Kamino.
Dangkur I krokang shile ko yarin film lo. Dangkur Baptist Church Bangalore Ministry hafok tang awan hi sambangai. Ajuga kupli la awan hi sambangai. Ning shinai church li I awan ning changlage jena iwishim kuli yaw krang sot now. Kachungana kamsai namra la awan kwirami mije iwishim li nature awan hi Lisa Shone Chivang na tung tong lila ning xie. Singkum panga ikaraling arumda ministry sakra hili rirana mahor hai kachang manai ajra shungda thanra khamia rirajli ningshila ke kala natum sai korlila ningshi hangwai malai manai Twika Ari Mangali, Natum Gachungana, Ui Maram Lila, Shisham Komaram Lila Hangaire, Chungnada Kala Henda Lahang Miaire, or Chunga took Haiji Longlina Tumivang, Sokaming Asada Layaka, Jiv Rawi Ming Dekmate Miruno, Kala Ishishim Korna, Mikomo Saida, Kangazan Kavat Kachunga Leda Natumli, Maishin Asakai or Kanang Asakai Le Salala. Natumna Pio Milo, Mikomoak Sada Natumna, Young Karali, Pastor Shineji Salala, Ishina Maring Jitaker, Jungaleko, Chivangla, Pio Milo, Kala, Tsingumbanga, Zatrakai Lungli, City Hilipam Haugada, Itum Hanlui Masamane, Ka, Sunday Hada, Ipangma Masai Mako, Tukan Sada Glena Tumpingna. Natumi matameka kachichi ishili mishaye isande kasang kare iuyam kuili va paga kuidada pangma masaila ungchinge chewang natum gadong alining she kala apongate ngade da shimkuli natum na chihora kami kuira kami shai mangkabai kuira kami apongate ngade da ngachon kami shan lama kui mane shim kurana to mauli ning shiko dam rahang lala shai ura mangura saurak jadam tran tepal tungli na thumi bangla ning gishi kami na shai lakko sami gai ka to ngachi bang rana na tum sai ko rali somiruno gihi hangai lake kala Tada now my 2 day na pipe basak hangaye itum rasang daklay katong hi kalahili lay daklay katong hi otram mga tumanay kasi malay lak manay karnaw pastor into ita tada now shinaw da shungda itum kachibu hi apong nga da ngasot na wila shimkulila church la society lila otram nga tusere chui wangay na rirawi tuinay tatahangay Colossians chapter 3 verse 23 li ka mili maning la proholi otram kangatuna da paning laga natum na kasasa sai ko relining tonglak ina salo kuchihi iwi kanawa tuisa tahangay society way na church way na kachikata way na kiki kasam pangrada marasang alo nali leadership kasang atam tran ina pamay tui kichi kisami sikla jang damachuklaga otram nga tuwang sak ngaye nana expectation layay ka chatu shuda masakam yadam tran namatui ngay haura nanga chang chathaura naning matong ramray rawi tuichili ang kalaga kalatam kasang rayaw ko mana church we kathan sakawai install sakam yadam tran seha sakam yadam tran tui hang salagyang milimaning la proholi otram kanga tunay tapaning laga ning tonglak ina salo ji ishishim kursai ko rimatun dada natumli I hang jipun ngaye aray tum mikomo sata otpam ot mga tishuda apam ngadeda pam ngrok salala itong gachung kama sampang nilapay kachung gali sampang nilapay kawresyak sada itong wishit kasang kajihan jiwa itum tangka matangka itum sai ko raw ngali sampang ragji itum wishit kasang gaji hanchis hailaga itum octava se ji I kala iwin agnishim kurimatune na hang ngai ne ningshlakere
Ina dikruknya hang laga kapsangau ke ishpauli ningshlake Ina ministry saradakle li anaiwi backbone sada otram gutuk mi mangaina aji tada ragashap nei lampel li pastor sa tamtaran tikan sitting sa ora jeka ishinaukni ngani lakin li sai ina chanda ji lekhu da hang mi ka tamtaran atum na bedroom li kukti jang laga abawi bang saya sami aju continuously ida da saramida klevang ningshlake Kasakra tamtaran, kachot kra tamtaran, member ping we ka kanang ping ka shikra tandara ini Ibrahim mengali jaruta gai arima masalah kerana uji he ini we sehagala ka hau nei ran shamida yano ping bang siasa sang mi gai atei mate lakrunu uji he ang songai tele kalang sonau ping member ping nala ya yoko ma pastor nana siasa me na iwi merini ta so mi nga sa ko uchi ra ka hang la dei ka pe pi bang rali ni shlaki achu ispa bonala e ministry li ta rali yang kala ko tram tu mi mai na ni da ministry sa ga shap ne china pungadam hilish pa bolila iwi legacy winning gashi yerisai ko mangalila pongshok ngai kala iwi naumira kani leishna kena abawi ministry li apong ding data katom kami katong chibangla legacy naumira kani lila ari pungatam hile ning shiko ti hi legacy sor milen miwali abawi winning gashi ng pajlek no sadale They say sing rapping memory ka jungle ring a paring ka memory ka jungle ka in a rally siasa ekla siasa sanghaire sakashia maring pa ning sa ga zu memory sai koruchi apam hili pena sai laka fond memories ring palaki da sakram gahai ring rum gahai Katong simangji simle kumre natum nala itui gaina iwe kang jang kwat le salala si mahang milo ka kamathaji tum hang ming rok la ka matha khamaya society tum sem ka wai sa sei ji bai iwe pil sada ngai ishi pastor he katar he kajang kni shugam kep le la karana wi jaw ko da idum associate pastor Oja mayonga balina in charge kimisare dana member kadongana ali corporation extend samida churchi masai kong kai masarunu makrian kai masarunu ka mosesly eronina herna shinon kamitata shinon misel laka notum katom milo ji he pausangai kala pastor katarkra tam tharan Ganau thela kena ganau milo ring phala kena ngir pamlo kaji pahila yau khomai e pausangai rana somida tangga baptist church Bangalore ring pamerinu leya merinu kala khnau le awa sadak leya khnau sadak leya church khnau pingli apil sangai yau nau ka chungka charui merinli ka kanang wi mirinli ring tak le ka chung kle yau ko masari na thi I atom ling shan wala ka I charu ka dani kanang wi dak le ya charu lik bak nau sa dak le ya member ka chung kle ko na tum le ran so mi da shim ku le ju ta wi mirinji masam pang sak mat le ya ka rivali ning ka shik me nang so da charu ta dak le ya dau ra pi mi bangla ka paningung mi da Awa sathela kena church we kena sathela kena mangarin li khanga kui milo jehila pausangai sai coordinating share all those friends who have come here to attend this our service. I once again would like to say thank you very much for your presence, and even though we go our own ways, it's my prayer that I'll continue to uphold you in my prayer, and I request you all to uphold me and my family for my new venture, for a new ministry also. Thank you all for coming. God bless.